I wish you all the best for the new year. We will start very lightly by repairing the extension cable. Unfortunately, this is the fate of these extension cables. The materials used are worth the price. This plastic, which has certainly seen both freezing and hot sunny days, will start to lose its elasticity and begin to disintegrate. To make matters worse, it's not damaged in just one place. We cut off the cable so that we are left with only a healthy piece. Next, we strip the cable to a length no greater than the socket itself. We do not want the wires to stick out of the socket. We also strip the wires themselves and crimp the crimp connectors on each of them. If you don't have crimp connectors, you can do it without them, but it's always better if you are dealing with a stranded wire. I still need to add that the cable has a conductor cross-section of 1.5 mm squared, and as I know the owners of this cable, I'm sure that the current flowing through it was greater than 10 amps. More current means more heating of the cable and therefore a faster degradation of the insulation. Now I will prepare a new socket for wiring, and for your own sake buy sockets with a longer body. The shorter ones may look nicer, but you will struggle with wiring. I finally got around to wiring it. Looking at the socket from the front, the live wire is on the left, because in this country it's the golden rule. The neutral is on the right and the ground is in the middle. To test the loose end of the cable so that it can be seen in the video is not as easy as it might seem, but in the end it was successful. But for sure I tried it with a proven classic for testing circuits, and it's a very primitive thing, an ordinary light bulb. And the challenging video is at the end. If you like the video, please show your satisfaction by pressing the like button. Of course, I greet new subscribers too. Thank you very much. I'll catch you around.